These Thermocol DIY object videos are blowing up all over social media right now. And the craziest part, this niche is still incredibly new, which means most people don't even know it exists yet. That is exactly why now is the perfect time to jump in before everyone else catches on. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral videos from scratch without spending a single dime. Yep, completely free. Grab your coffee, stop overthinking, and let's dive in. First, I've already created a powerful master prompt for you, which you can grab right now in the pinned comment below. Copy that entire master prompt and open checked. If you prefer Claude AI, that works perfectly fine too. Paste the master prompt into the chat and hit send. Within seconds, the AI will generate 10 unique, highly engaging video ideas for you. If you have your own reference image, you can upload it here. But let's be honest, you can never have too many viral options. I want more ideas. I just type more into the prompt box, hit send, and get a fresh batch of creative concepts. For this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 7, Lion's main bust. I typed 7 and hit send. The AI will ask if you want to upload a reference image. I don't have one right now, so I just type do it yourself and hit send again. Just like that, Claude generates a highly detailed video prompt tailored specifically for our video. Carefully copy that entire prompt and head over to Google Flow. AI, switch over to video generation mode and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Once everything is set up, paste your video prompt into the box and hit generate. This usually takes about a minute, so don't panic if it doesn't appear in 3 seconds. AI is fast, but it's not a magician at least. Just take a look at this. Not yet, and boom. It looks incredibly satisfying, visually unique, and grabs your attention almost instantly. It's one of those videos people will loop without even realizing it. Once your video is ready, download it in the highest resolution available. By following this exact workflow, you can create an endless supply of Thermocol DIY object videos. Just pick a new idea, generate a new prompt, and repeat the process. That's the entire blueprint. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI, so you never miss the next viral AI niche before it gets saturated. The early creators always have the biggest advantage, and I'd hate for you to miss the next big wave. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.